We are looking at some more about circles. First, chords and arcs of circle. So, what is a chord? Chord of a circle is a line segment with its ends lying on the circle. So if we want to draw a diagram, so this is our circle, and if we draw a line segment having its ends as A, B, so this is a line segment and this is a chord. So this is a chord of a circle with center O, AB. We can show other way also, like these 2 points C, D. So A, B, C, D, AB and CD are chords of a circle with center O. Then arc of the circle. So what is arc? Arc is a continuous piece. Continuous piece of a circle is called an arc of a circle. So if we want to draw, let's say this is our circle. This is our circle with center O, and there is a line segment with endpoints A and B that divides the circle into circular parts, and here we have point Y and here we have point X. Based on this, we can visualize the circle arc as so consider circle with center O and radius R. Then let A and B, I am just describing the arc of the circle in terms of geometry. So that's why I'm explaining here the properties of this circle or what this defines a circle. Let A and B 2 points on the circle. Such that line segment AB is not a diameter. So this is a line segment AB such that it is not a diameter. Then 2 points A and B divide the circle into 2 parts. So this one and this one, and each part divides circle into 2 parts. Each part is an arc of the circle. So this one and this one. These are arcs of the circle, and based on the point plotted on that sides, we can describe it as AXB and AYB, and they are denoted by this sign. So AXB is an arc of the circle, AYB is an arc of the circle. Now, secant of a circle. Secant is a line passing through a circle and intersecting the circle at 2 points. At 2 points. So, if we draw a circle like this, and a line intersecting a circle at 2 points A and B, circle with center O. So this is line, that's why it is growing infinitely at both ends, but intersecting the circle at 2 points, that is A and B. This is secant of a circle with center O. Then circumference of a circle. Circumference. So circumference basically is a perimeter. Means, in other words, length of the boundary of the interior of a circle. Length of the boundary of the interior of a circle is its circumference. Then semicircle. So if we now will first draw the diagram, and as we can see here, we plot a point here O and draw a diagram A and B, and these are points here X, here Y. So AB is a diameter which divides circle in two parts, and each part is called semicircle. So this AXB and AYB both are AXB, AYB both are semicircle. Segment of a circle. What is segment? A chord of a circle that divides the circular region that divides the circular region into two parts. Each part is called a segment of the circle. We'll see it in a visualized form. So this is a circle with center O, and a chord means it is a line segment with fixed endpoints. So let's see, a chord AB divides the circular region into two parts. This is one part, this is another part. So divides it into two parts, and we say that this is major segment of the circle with center O, and this is minor segment. Then sector of a circle. So let's consider a circle with radius r and center O, and let A, B, C 3 points on the circle. So we'll draw this. This is our center O, then A, B, and this is point C. These points are 3 points on the circle. So the area enclosed by the circle is divided into two regions, namely OAB, here OAB, and OBCA, this one. So both of them are these regions are sector of the circle. So this is minor sector and this is major sector.